Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a hair care review on the L'Oreal Elvive or Elvive. I'm probably butchering that. It's the Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. Okay, so before we get started with the video, I do want to make a disclaimer. I did get this sent to me in an Influencer box. So Influencer sent it to me. It came in this box right here. It looks like this. And I got it sent for a review on all my social medias. But I will say I was not sponsored in any way, shape, or form for this, so I'm not being paid to say anything about this product. These are all my total honest opinions. I would never lie to you guys. And yeah, so if you'd like to see my thoughts on this deep conditioner, then keep on watching. Let me read the claims of the product. It's a Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm that fights split ends, weakness, roughness, dullness, and dehydrated hair. I will say it definitely fights roughness. My hair feels a lot softer. I've used this product about 3 times in my hair so far. It says to use every day, but I have used this in conjunction with my Hask deep conditioner for damaged hair. I'll leave like a picture right here for it. Overall, after using this, I can say that my hair has definitely felt softer and it definitely looks healthier. Like if you look at all the curls, everything is like tight and not frizzy as frizzy as it has been. My hair is pretty damaged. It does have a lot of split ends in it. I do need to get it cut, but I'm kind of growing it out, so that's why I haven't gotten it cut. But it is a little damaged because I have, you know, blonde in my hair. So I have bleached it, or my hairdresser bleached my hair, obviously. I did not do it myself. I've done that before and it's just gone horribly wrong. So yeah, but overall, I will say this product, it retails for $5.99. And I will say for Drugstore, it is a really good deep conditioner. Obviously, it's gonna work different on people who don't have curly hair, I feel like, rather than straight hair, because obviously when you have straight hair, it doesn't curl. And I feel like it doesn't really get all that frizzy depending on how straight your hair is. I don't know, I don't have straight hair. This is my natural hair, so. But overall for me, it definitely worked. And for $5.99, I definitely will repurchase this. It says it repairs up to 1 year of damage to hair's smoothness in one use. I definitely think that's a strong claim, but I personally feel that it is true. The first time I used it, my hair definitely was softer and smoother and it wasn't so frizzy. I feel like as you use it, it may build up better than like the first time you use it, but I really can't say for sure because like I said, I use this in conjunction with my Hask deep conditioner. So yeah, this product has almond and protein for damaged hair. I guess it's almond fruit extract, and my dad is actually allergic to nuts, but I find that that doesn't really bother him. Like when I wash it, it goes down the drain, so it doesn't really affect him at all. So I think if you're someone who is wanting to try a new deep conditioner and doesn't want to spend an arm and a leg and would like something drugstore, this is definitely a good choice and I would definitely recommend you checking it out. It would be interesting for me to maybe stop using Hask for a while and just use this and see if it works just as well. If you guys want me to do that, you can let me know in the comments down below. But I'm so sorry, video is so short, but I just wanted to pop on here and tell you my thoughts of this product. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. It's right there. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!